Thomas, can you show me what you do with the keys? What were you doing with the keys? Your Mama's taking a video. See, can you put the key back in the slot where you? Here. Where does that go? So how did you learn how to do that? All done? You want to say bye-bye?